How's it going, YouTube? Well, it's a beautiful Saturday. And we're back working on Red. I got me a new battery. I probably won't do the starter today because the starter's still working. So I'm not really wanting to do that today. But what I am wanting to do today is, if y'all remember, the battery fell over and shorted out the system. So I need to put a new battery in it, change some cables, make sure everything's still working right. And yes, I will tie down the battery this time. So anyway, let's see what we got over here. So these two cables are the ones that were on the truck to begin with. They got really hot, so I'm going to change those. And then this one, the battery landed on it. So I'm going to change that one first. That's the first things I'm going to do. So I'm going to change those. And then once I get that changed, I'm going to put the new battery in and go ahead and see if it'll fire up and everything work right. Still got to buy a headlight. I still got a bad headlight, but that's nothing. Anyway, so let's get into this and we'll be back. Now, just in case y'all are wondering, I use these type terminals, and they are a marine terminal special application for, because they got the little peg on them, so you can hook whatever you want up to these, put them on the battery. You never have to take your terminals off, and the little wing nuts. So we'll look at that here in a minute. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So it's okay. Yes, see, brand spanking new battery. Anyway, so that one coming up and that one coming up. So if I need to take something loose, I can just take off one of those wing nuts. Wires come off, and then if I want to add a ground or something here, I just pull that up, put the ground underneath it, tighten it back down. It's grounded. Same with the positive over here. If I need to add something, lights or whatever, I can just hook it in there. Now then, we have it ready, so let's see if she starts. Let's cross our fingers and hope that Red starts and everything works good. I'm going to set the camera down over here, like so. See how this works. Oh, she's a little cold-blooded, but it's charging. She's running. Yay! that died. But yeah, that's all I was wanting to check, make sure that the truck was running. And it works. So okay, so whenever the fuel pump comes in for the EFI, we'll start putting the EFI on this thing. But yep, Red is alive. Also, let's talk about something else real quick. Since we know Red's alive and everything's good with Red, I could strap the battery down and take it for a ride if I wanted to. But anyway, my wife's flashing me.
Asshole.
But anyway, notice where the Jeep's at. That's not necessarily the reason the Jeep's there, but you know, we got a big parking spot here. Actually, I gotta change my mother-in-law's oil today. But tomorrow, I'm going on an adventure. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm going on an adventure. About 3.5 hours away. Take y'all with me. So be looking for that video and the surprise that's coming to Travis's Mopar garage. Y'all stay tuned and go out there and turn some wrenches. Y'all have a good one.